Hello, hello. Welcome to another week of Learning for Math. The schedule you see in front of you is for the week of May 11th through May 15th. We are moving along in Chapter 6. We'll be working in Section 3, and there are 3 modules again for this week. Our I can statements and our objectives for the week are: I can use a formula to find the volume of a rectangular prism. I can find the capacity of a rectangular container, and I can solve word problems on volume of rectangular prisms and liquids. So our objectives for all 3 modules are the same. By Module 3, you will be doing solving the word problems. Again, anything that is underlined in blue text, you can click and it will take you right to that link. So you can click here for Module 1, click here for Module 2, and click here for Module 3. Remember, if you're having any trouble with the Nearpod, please send me a message in Google Hangouts. If you're not seeing everything on the screen, also let me know. I know that was a little bit of an issue last week, so please let me know and I can correct it. When you finish your work, please turn it in, submit it in Nearpod, and then hit that turn in button on your assignments in the classwork section of Google Classroom, okay? Again, if you click our Hunt Math link here, that takes you right to our classwork page. And I don't know if any of you took advantage of Sol's help last week, but if you need some extra help understanding volume, you can use this link here to Khan Academy. And I've also put another one in for Learn Zillion, going over cubic centimeters and liters and milliliters, which is capacity, and you'll be learning about this week. So this is a list of your assignments for the week. Again, it is a guide to give you an example of how you might want to divide up your work throughout the week, but do what's best for you and what works for your family. The overview is right here. That's what we're doing now. If you need to revisit this during the week, just click the underlined blue text and it'll take you right back here. For days 3 and 5, remember, it's for you to reflect and review. If for some reason you go through a module and you don't understand it, or you don't think you did so great, reach out to me. We can talk about it. We can meet up. And you can redo the module again. You can do it as many times as you want. So those reflect and review days are for you to look at your work again or reach out to me, okay? Again, we'll have a Monday Zoom meeting at 2:30. And on Wednesday, it will be a little help session if you need it. And that's also at 2:30. All your assignments are due Friday by 2:30. And let me scroll down a little bit more and you'll see we have some extra links here for optional fun and optional help. Also, in Study Island, I will put up our volume lesson. I'll put that in your assignment section so you can find it easily. However, it is optional, okay? And I'm thinking I may even do that during our Zoom session, possibly. If I can do a group lesson, I have to look into that. But it's there if you need it. Okay, those are your lessons for the week. And if you have any questions, let me know.